Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about blockchain technology. What is it? How does it work? And how could it change the world? What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. It is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. How does blockchain work? Blockchain is a system of recording information in blocks that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a timestamp and a link to a previous block. This makes it very difficult to change any information in the blockchain, as any changes would require changing all subsequent blocks. What are the use cases of blockchain technology? Blockchain has a wide range of potential use cases, including financial services. Blockchain could be used to create decentralized financial applications, such as peer-to-peer lending platforms and decentralized exchanges. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow people to lend and borrow money directly from each other, without the need for a bank or other financial institution. This could make it easier for people to get access to credit, and it could also help to reduce the cost of borrowing money. Decentralized exchanges allow people to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a central authority. This could make it easier for people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and it could also help to reduce the risk of fraud. 2. Supply chain management. Blockchain could be used to track the movement of goods and materials through a supply chain, ensuring transparency and accountability. Blockchain could be used to create a digital ledger of all the transactions that occur in a supply chain. This would allow all participants in the supply chain to see exactly where goods and materials are at any given time. This could help to prevent fraud, and it could also help to improve efficiency and reduce costs. 3. Healthcare. Blockchain could be used to store medical records securely and efficiently. Blockchain could be used to create a secure and decentralized database of medical records. This would allow patients to have access to their own medical records, and it would also allow doctors and other healthcare providers to share information more easily. This could improve the quality of care, and it could also help to reduce costs. 4. Government. Blockchain could be used to improve government efficiency and transparency. Blockchain could be used to create a more efficient and transparent government. For example, blockchain could be used to track government spending, to manage elections, or to issue passports and other identification documents. This could help to reduce corruption, and it could also help to improve the quality of government services. The future of blockchain is very bright. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications for blockchain. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize many industries, and it could have a major impact on the way we live and work. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about blockchain technology. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.